Got a paper check you need to deposit but dreading the trip to the bank? What if I told you there's a way to do it without ever leaving your home or office, all with just your smartphone? Well, there is, and it's incredibly simple with the Tide app. Tide, for those of you who don't know, is a digital business banking platform. One of its many fantastic features is the ability to deposit checks directly through the app, saving you valuable time and hassle. So, how do you do it? Let's walk through the steps. First things first, you'll need to have a Tide account and the Tide app installed on your phone. Once you're logged in, head to the Payments tab. From there, you'll see an option for Deposit a Check. Tap on that, and the app will guide you through the process. The next step is crucial. You'll need to take a picture of the check. Make sure the check is placed on a dark, flat, non-reflective surface. You want to get a good, clear shot of the front of the check, with all four corners visible. The app will have a guide frame to help you line it up perfectly. Take your picture. After that, you'll be asked to enter the amount of the check and provide a brief reference. This is for your own record so you know what the payment was for. Double-check that the amount you've entered matches the amount on the check. Accuracy is key here. Finally, you'll be asked to take a picture of the back of the check. This is where you'll have already signed or endorsed it. Once you've got that picture, you'll confirm all the details, hit submit, and you're done. The check will now be processing, and you'll receive a notification in the app once the funds have cleared and are available in your account. The usual clearance time is within a few business days, but the app will keep you updated. And that's it. It's that easy to deposit a check with Tide. No more waiting in line, no more rushing to the bank before closing time. Just a few taps on your phone, and the job is done. It's just another way Tide is simplifying business banking. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.